Happy birthday! Mara! Baby, oh! Wow! Hi! What fish is that? Fish. O, sa kabila naman. Little fish.
Baby shark.
Wow, ang daming fish. Wow, ang laki ng fish. Alaki, akit na tayo.
Ang laki ng dog.
Dali. Bigyan na ako ng bahala dyan. Naka! What's that? Ang laki! Crocodile! Wow! Ang dami pang fish! Wow! Ang laki naman ng fish! Hi, fish! Wow! Makaila na laki pang fish, oh! Turtle, oh! Nako, kinakain mo yan ang tilapia. Hi, fish! Ay, maliliit na yan eh. Ay, nak, malaki pang fish. Ay, nako. Nako, fish. Wow, fish. Ang laki. Teka, pasok ko tayo sa loob. Dahil ko na ata dun eh.
Look, oh, there's a small fish.
Hi! Hello! Ha?
Mga specification nila pa.
La, why are you scared? Nako! Wow! Small fish? Parang ito. Ano yan, mga sea snakes? Wow, what's that? Nakita. Bakit? You're scared? Ang cute na mga fish na ko. Nako! Mara! Hi! Hi! dilim. Yay! Ayun, nakatingin siya sa taas, oh.
Hi! Daming fish. Huwag ka matakot dyan. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Ayan yung pagi, oh. Ginagawang latig, oh.
Meron. Bigyan ko na. Sige, ako na dyan. Halika na. May fish din pala dito. Yay! Penguin!
Ah!
Wow! Ang dilim. Come and meet me!
Alvin, isda o ibon?
Isda. Ay, ibon na tayo kasi kumakain ng isda yan eh.
Give me a smile.
Ayan eh. Ang cute. What is that?
Halika na.
That's it na yan. Hi! Desi ko. Okay. Puro toys. Yan na naman po siya. May magwawala na naman. Yay, di siya nagwala. Wow! Kasi sobrang init. Ganyan lang pala siya, lalabas na tayo. Halika na, bye-bye! Wow! Hi daw nako! Wow, ang taas na ko. Nasa taas yung ship. Halika na. O yan doon, playground. Wow, hello, ring ring. Makakalimutan niya din yan.
Buwana.
Ito, ayo, pili nga. Kala ko, ano lang. Wow! What's that?
Buwana.
Ano ulit? Ano ulit?
What's that, baby?
What's that again?
What's that? Iguana.
Picture tayo. Selfie.
Hindi na.
Picture mo ako ni Bebe.
Video lang na. Iguana, oh. What's that?
What's that?
Eating, oh, eating.
Iguana.
Lang naman.
Creepy crawlies. Oh no.
Salad?
Gusto makita. Halika, next. Frog. Asan yung frog, frog? 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 Saka naka-video, ba't ganyan? Hawak. Parang mukha.
Okay ba yung mukha niyan?
Ano yun? Parang nakalunod.
Florida, snap.
Ayun, no? Turtle. Another turtle. Ay, maganda.
May tarantula pa.
Magagamba pa.
Spider! Spider!
Spider?
Lucas? Lucas?
Lucas, ito si Lucas.
Lucas!
Dito mo kami, sama kami.
Spider!
Spider?
Spider!
Yan. Another one, another one.
Oh no!
Okay naman. Another spider. What's that? Saan? Saan yung lizard? Ayun, nagtatago. O, kabila. Next. Snake yan? Oh no! Snake!
Oh, Pac-Man's
Monster? No, that's not monster, oh!
Ulo, snake. Looking at snake. Ay, snake.
Ah, picture kayo? Ayun, look ko! That's big! What's that? That's a big snake? Oh, let's check here. Lalas na to! Oh my God. Wala na.
Dito snake.
Bigyan mo na ng cellphone pa.
Alright, Bears ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! First one, first ball, follow the safety. Second ball for Rocky. Come on, everyone! Here comes Sour. Yes! Wow, so cute! And as you can see, we are homing pigeons. Homing pigeons mean homing ability. Say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called feet or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey guys, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? That term depends on those who translated as sweet-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they're pretty flying out of water as they see from place to place. Right, sea lion friends? And you know, they're often mistaken as seals because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine illustration. How about us for sea lion friends? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? And how about for sea lion friends? As you can see, their bodies covered with their whiskers to make navigation or to detect vibration from brain to work. And their small external ears give them sense of hearing, both up and below the water surface. Sea lions and marine mammals can see well
Picture
both
tayo na,
up and underwater.
Selfie ka,
They
selfie.
have keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they have waters close to shores, flat land mixed with tide pools, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climate
Sasakyan,
reaching
sasakyan.
scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Surely some rock cliffs. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities. Sea lions generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And that is the normal speed. Nice and easy. Wow, look at that. That is a surely fast swim. How much for Yanni? That's smart one. Great job, girl. Wow, nice line. And another one. You're asking for it? Now, here's an interesting story about sea lion. They hold breath for up to 20 minutes, and they can dive hundreds of feet and avoid underwater mines. These land trainers, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now, let's march. Ready, guys? Hop! This time, could you please join our sea lion friends in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute, and let's make this one loud. People in the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Salute, everybody. Wow, thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water, which you know. Okay, so trainers, what's next? The balls? How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball balance. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Careful. Let's go, girls. Stay there. Fantastic. No problems for Yanni and Ira. Great job. Now this time, would you love to see a dance number from our sea lion friends? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Would you love to see them dance? Well, music, maestro. And we were dancing. Let's go, ladies. And into the water Thank you, Yenny, Ira, and trainers. We hope you all can spend your